Okay, in this video I'm going to uninstall the Sovelia CAD add-in. I can first of all go to Sovelia Sync down here in the bottom right hand corner. I'm logged in at the moment and I can log out, and then when I've done that I can close Sovelia Sync. It's an option to do that, I don't have to. Likewise, closing Inventor or closing AutoCAD, but it will prompt me to close those. So I'm going to the control panel and I'm going to go to Programs and Features. And this is the 21.1 version of Sovelia CAD Add-in. I'm going to have a look down here now and I'm looking for the Sovelia desktop icon. I'm going to right click on it and I get the option to uninstall. Yeah, so I want to uninstall it and it will work its way through now and uninstall the product. Might take a little time, depending on how fast your computer is, and also if it's got to stop any of the other programs. And there we go. It's removed from the location. You can then also maybe go and have a look at the location where the configs are. Mine are local here. Any configs that are still in here, then potentially I can also just delete that information. And also there's a location here where the bootstrap lives, and again I can just delete that information. I first made sure that I followed the instructions to back all those settings up, and I've got a copy of my configs and my bootstrap here in case I want to use them again in the future. So that's it, all uninstalled, ready to install either the next version or a different version or a previous version of the software. Thanks a lot.